I'm on a mission to make the Painkiller cocktail a much bigger deal. Why? Bold statement here. I think it's as good, if not tastier, than the actual PORNSTAR Martini. Actually, who am I kidding? Of course it's better. It's made with rum. It's just one of those easy 4 ingredient cocktails, or 5 if you include the nutmeg on top. So easy, so simple to make, and yet it just doesn't get the love it deserves. So what is a painkiller? Well, it's just an amped up, more fun and tastier version of the pina colada. Of course, it's made with Pussers Rum. We've used the Gunpowder proof here, 54.5%. So it's basically a pina colada on steroids with a bit of orange. Now, I'll link to my original painkiller video below where I kind of show you how to make it, but then also do a different taste test with all the Pussers, different range there. So that'll be in the links below. And I'll also link you to the Passion and Pain, a passion fruit riff that I knocked out a couple of months ago. Now, you could use any of the Pussers range here. The spiced rum would be phenomenal for you spiced rum fans, but I wanted to go traditional, so we're using the normal Gunpowder proof Pussers. And then I'm going to flip the serve up for you PORNSTAR Martini fans, so no mug. It's just a similar recipe and ratio, just a different serve. So let's crack on and remind you how to make the painkiller. We've got our Martini, our Coupe glass, sort of chilling down there, so we've got a nice serve to finish. Pussers Gunpowder proof, 54.5%. As I say, you could go spiced rum if you wanted to. You could go normal, but you got to use Pussers in the painkiller. We've got some pressed pineapple juice, freshly squeezed orange juice, some coconut puree, because I like to use that. You could use cream of coconut if you wanted to, but I love long life shelf stable. And we've got some nutmeg for the garnish. So really, really simple. We're going for a 60ml double bubble of our Navy strength Pussers Gunpowder proof. We're going for a 60ml double bubble of our pressed pineapple juice. And then we are going 30ml, 1 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. And then we are going for 30ml, 1 ounce of this coconut puree. There is Real as well. It's another similar ingredient. Monin do one as well now as well. So long life shelf stable kind of puree fruity mixes if you like. So really easy, 60, 60, 30, 30, plenty of ice, give it a good shake. And then when it's properly frosty, get rid of your ice out of your coupe. You could just whack that in a freezer, or, you know, just serve it up at room temperature, whatever floats your little boat. I'm gonna double strain because we don't want any little tiny little bits in our coupe glass. So just double strain, look at that. Lovely, jubbly, nice and frothy. And then just to finish up, we've got some nutmeg. If you've got great fresh nutmeg, just grate some over the top. But I've just got little bits here from like Tesco's or what's the other one, Schwartz, whatever you got. Bit of nutmeg over the top. Lovely. And then we finish it off with an orange wedge. So if you make this, dive into the comments below. Let me know if you prefer this to the PORNSTAR Martini. Let me know if you prefer it with Pussers Gunpowder proof spiced, or let me know if you prefer it in a painkiller mug. And if you want my passion and pain recipe, then click that video right there.